Hello job seekers and career enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of your job hunt, social media do's and don'ts for your job hunt. In this video, we'll explore the do's and don'ts of using social media during your job search. Your online presence plays a significant role in shaping employers' perceptions, and we are here to guide you through this important topic. So, let's dive into the world of social media do's and don'ts to boost your job hunt success. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our career-focused content. Now, let's get started. Your online presence matters. We'll discuss the do's of crafting a professional online image, including optimizing your LinkedIn profile, sharing industry-related content, and engaging with professionals in your field. Let's begin by delving into the cornerstone of your professional online presence, LinkedIn. How can you harness this platform to your advantage? Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is crucial. Craft a compelling headline that reflects your expertise, update your profile picture with a professional and approachable image, and provide a comprehensive overview of your skills and accomplishments. Don't shy away from showcasing your achievements, projects, and recommendations. A well-rounded profile allows potential employers, clients, or collaborators to understand your professional journey at a glance. Moving forward, let's explore the value of sharing industry-related content. How can this elevate your online image? Sharing insightful articles, research, and industry news positions you as a knowledgeable thought leader in your field. It demonstrates your passion for staying updated and adds value to your online connections. However, remember to curate content that aligns with your professional goals and interests. Consistency is key, but quality always triumphs over quantity. Building a robust online presence isn't just about showcasing your achievements. It also involves active engagement with your professional network. How can you engage effectively? Engaging with posts, articles, and discussions of professionals in your field showcases your genuine interest in industry trends and your commitment to meaningful conversations. Comments that contribute thoughtful insights and respectful disagreements can spark valuable connections and showcase your expertise to a wider audience. Networking remains a cornerstone of professional success, even in the digital realm. How can you leverage your online presence to foster meaningful relationships? Connect with professionals who align with your industry and interests, but remember to personalize your connection requests. A brief note expressing your common interests or reasons for connecting can make a significant impact. Don't underestimate the power of direct messaging. Sending personalized messages to new connections, expressing your admiration for their work, and initiating conversations can open doors for collaboration and mentorship. On the flip side, we'll cover the don'ts of social media during your job search. From controversial posts to inappropriate photos, we'll help you steer clear of potential red flags that can negatively impact your job prospects. Our journey begins with a fundamental don't, avoiding controversial posts on your social media platforms. How can sharing divisive opinions impact your job search? Sharing or engaging in controversial discussions can alienate potential employers or colleagues who hold differing views. It's wise to maintain a neutral tone on topics that could spark debates unrelated to your professional qualifications. Remember, while freedom of expression is important, exercising caution when it comes to sensitive subjects is essential to maintain a positive online image. Let's move on to another important aspect, the language and tone you use on social media. How can your choice of words impact your job search efforts? Using offensive language, excessive slang, or sharing posts riddled with grammatical errors can convey unprofessionalism. Your online presence should mirror the communication skills you'd exhibit in a professional environment. Regularly review your posts and comments to ensure they reflect a polished and respectful demeanor that aligns with the professional image you're striving to project. Now, let's address the potential red flags posed by inappropriate photos and content on your social media profiles. How can these impact your job prospects? Posting or being tagged in inappropriate photos or content can raise concerns about your judgment and suitability for a professional role. What you share online can influence how potential employers perceive your character. As a rule of thumb, if you wouldn't want a potential employer to see a particular post, it's best to refrain from posting it altogether. Oversharing personal information is a common trap. How can you maintain a boundary between your personal and professional lives on social media? While authenticity is important, divulging excessively personal details might distract from your professional qualifications. Striking a balance between showcasing your personality and preserving your privacy is crucial. Consider adjusting privacy settings to control who can see certain posts or personal information. This way, you can maintain a curated online presence without sacrificing your privacy. Social media is a powerful tool for networking. We'll reveal how to use platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to expand your network, connect with recruiters, and discover hidden job opportunities. Let's begin with a platform that's synonymous with professional networking, LinkedIn. How can you optimize this platform to expand your network? Craft a compelling LinkedIn profile that highlights your skills, experiences, and aspirations. A well-crafted headline and an engaging summary can draw potential connections in. Don't hesitate to connect with colleagues, mentors, and even those you've met at professional events. Join industry-related groups and engage in thoughtful discussions to make your presence felt. Transitioning to Twitter, how can you effectively utilize this platform for networking and career growth? Twitter allows you to connect with professionals, influencers, and recruiters across industries. Follow accounts related to your field of interest to stay updated on trends and news. Participate in relevant Twitter chats, where industry professionals discuss topics of interest using specific hashtags. Engaging in these conversations can broaden your network and showcase your expertise. Now, let's explore the direct impact of social media networking on your job search. How can you establish connections with recruiters? Many recruiters use LinkedIn to source potential candidates. Regularly update your profile with your skills, accomplishments, and career goals to attract their attention. Don't hesitate to engage with recruiters' posts or share content that aligns with your career interests. This can spark meaningful interactions and put you on their radar. Unveiling hidden job opportunities is another facet of social media networking. How can you uncover these hidden gems? Follow companies you're interested in on LinkedIn and Twitter. They often share job openings, company updates, and insights that can give you a unique edge during the application process. Engage with industry-related content to position yourself as an informed and passionate professional. This can lead to meaningful connections and, potentially, word-of-mouth recommendations. Learn the dose of showcasing your skills and accomplishments through social media. From sharing professional achievements to participating in industry discussions, we'll show you how to position yourself as a desirable candidate. Let's kick off by delving into a crucial aspect: sharing your professional achievements on social media. How can you effectively highlight your accomplishments? Regularly post about your milestones, such as completed projects, successful campaigns, or certifications earned. This demonstrates your proactive approach to professional growth. When sharing, provide context about the challenges you faced and how you overcame them. This not only highlights your accomplishments but also showcases your problem-solving skills. Moving on, let's explore the art of crafting engaging content that resonates with your audience. How can you effectively share your skills and knowledge? Share industry insights, trends, and thoughtful analyses of current events related to your field. This showcases your expertise and positions you as a thought leader. Utilize visuals such as infographics, videos, or slide decks to present your knowledge in an engaging and digestible format. Visual content tends to capture more attention and drive engagement. Engaging in industry discussions is another powerful way to showcase your skills. How can you actively participate in conversations that matter? Follow relevant hashtags and industry influencers to stay updated on discussions. Contribute thoughtful comments and insights that reflect your expertise. Sharing your experiences, ideas, and solutions in discussions demonstrates your engagement with the field and positions you as someone who adds value to conversations. Highlighting your problem-solving abilities is crucial to showcasing your skills. How can you effectively communicate your knack for overcoming challenges? Share stories of how you've tackled complex problems or overcome obstacles in your professional journey. Emphasize the strategies you used and the positive outcomes achieved. Don't hesitate to share instances where you've gone above and beyond to find innovative solutions. These stories not only showcase your skills but also illustrate your commitment to excellence. And that wraps up our exploration of social media do's and don'ts for your job hunt. I hope you found these insights valuable in navigating the social media landscape during your job search. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your job-seeking friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the Recruiter Talk for more career-focused content. Thank you for joining today, and remember, mastering social media do's and don'ts can be a game-changer in your job hunt success. Happy job hunting! See you in the next video.